guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you a DIY. Someone commented in the comment section down to make more videos on DIY, so this is the one for them. So for in today's video I will be making these two photo frames out of newspaper. These both of them seem pretty good and they are just made out of waste. You can say it as best out of waste. You can see it's made up of books, cardboard, notebooks, outer cover, and newspapers. And that's all. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. So guys, the things we will be needing to make this really easy DIY will be really simple. And first we need to grab an old notebook. It may be of 100 page or any size, a newspaper, and Fevicol or glue, whichever glue you prefer. I prefer Fevicol because it sticks good, and scissors. So that are the things required, so let's get into it. Which one did you like more? Tell me by commenting down. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your artistic friends, and also comment what you think of this, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this.